If you've started using Instant on Instagram and you are not feeling it anymore, here's how to remove it completely from your inbox. I'm Janet if you are new here. This is where I help you grow and monetize on social media. Open your Instagram app and tap on your inbox. You will notice Instant Post showing up right there. To remove it, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Scroll down until you find Content Preferences. Tap on it. In the bottom part, you will see Hide Instant button. Turn it on. And that's it. To stop notifications completely, go back to Settings. Tap Notifications. Scroll down until you find Instant. Tap it, then turn off both notifications, emoji reactions, and when someone shares your content. Now, if you go back and check your inbox, Instant is gone. To learn more about this app, check out my Instant and Instagram playlist. Link is in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on all post notifications so you don't miss what is coming next. Bye for now.